the solution selection first came about a couple of years ago when I was talking with Nicolette Naumann. We tried to identify a new way of showcasing products with ideas and solutions that were present at the Ambiente fair, and solutions was the result. And it's now the second year that we're doing the selection, and really the criteria for being selected are more functionally or technically orientated. So we're looking for products which are inventive in their application of a technology or a material, which are useful, which somehow have something a little bit more functionally orientated than usual. It's also important that they're new, so they need to have been developed or offered to the public within the last year. So they really should be new products, and it's in this case less about aesthetics and traditional design issues, but more about function and technical solutions. Yeah. Well, since last year's exhibition in 2012, the number of applications has increased significantly. We've had, I think, at least double, if not 3 times, the number of products entered, with the similar kind of mixture between good and less good products, basically. Well, out of the 20 to 25 products that we've selected for 2013, it's interesting to notice that most of the products are actually very simple products. There's, as you would expect from Ambiente, but nevertheless, there's a lot of food preparation products. So small, simple ideas of how to prepare food in a simpler or better way. Often they're tools that will help cooking that is essentially quite complex cooking. So baking aids, or even products that help decorate plates or food for presentation. So quite elaborate cooking techniques that have been developed into special, clever products for the consumer environment. So that makes up a certain number. Then you can see there's also a lot of drinks-related products. So coffee, tea, soft drinks, portable drinks, or drinks that have a little bit more performance involved. So traditionally, tea and coffee become something a little bit more elaborate, which is nice. There are 1 or 2 products as well which are materials based. So a clever combination of materials works well, and even a couple of products that are actually quite technical and more elaborate mechanical solutions to certain problems. Yeah. So in all, a good variety, I would say. Yeah. It's interesting to look at the selection to try and see how people have developed their innovation, because there seem to be certain patterns. One technique is to take a practice or a product from a professional environment and to reinterpret it for a consumer individual use, if you like. Another is to take products or customs that may be very normal in one culture from one part of the world, and to reinterpret it for a different part and adapt it for that part. That often throws up interesting solutions, or even companies that are experts or very specialized in one particular area tend to be very good at kind of coming up with good ideas. I mean, it seems obvious, but it does make a difference, and it can be just materials orientated products where they really come up with something special or unusual, and that's good. But generally, really nice to see a good variety of approaches in the products that we've selected. Well, I'd highly recommend visitors to Ambiente to stop by the exhibition, because they really they'll have a chance to see things there that they won't see in any of the other selections. There's some really unusual products, some really useful products that they're all shown with a short video clip which explains the innovation in the product and shows how the products are used. So that's always nice to see. And above all, I think they'll see some surprising and different things. So it's well worth stopping by. Yeah.